So after reading the starch indicator, its color become blue. Okay, so we are adding the 2 to 3 drops of or up to the 1 ml of starch indicator and its color become blue, and we fill the sodium thiosulfate 0.25 normality sodium thiosulfate in the burette, and we are taking the 203 ml of water sample in conical flasks. By adding the starch indicator, its color become blue. So see this is a blue color we are getting, and we have to titrate till this color disappear or this color become change blue to colorless. So we start the titration, and after the change the color we have to stop. So slowly this color is going, and now it's totally vanished. So at the 2.2 ml, by using the sodium thiosulfate, our water sample is totally colorless. So it shows that the 2.2 mg per liter dissolved oxygen is present in that particular water sample. Then just see how to calculate or what is the observation table for dissolved oxygen. So this is the observation table where description is given in first column, then taste of the sample or temperature of the sample is given in the second column, then the dissolved oxygen, the amount of the dissolved oxygen present is given in the third column. So we are taking the water sample from any other sources, so we have to describe or we have to write down the what type of the sample we have to taken, we have to write down here. Then temperature, the room temperature, whatever at that particular time, it's now the its temperature is 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, and the what is the DO we are getting? Its DO is 2.2 mg per liter. So for that purpose we have a formula how to calculate DO. DO mg per liter is equals to ml of titrant use. ml of titrant use, it means the ml of sodium thiosulfate used into normality of titrant. Normality of sodium thiosulfate, it is 0.025 into molecular weight of oxygen. Molecular weight of oxygen into 1000 divided by ml of sample taken. Okay, ml of sample taken. So whatever reading ml of sample taken, it is 203. The titrant use is 2.2. So after placing this reading into this formula, so at the end we are getting the same result, whatever result we are getting in the after doing the practical or after doing the titration. So titration values is 2.2. So after putting this value into this formula, so after that we are also getting the value of 2.2 mg per liter dissolved oxygen present in this particular water sample. Okay, so here our experiment is over. Thank you so much.